How to fix Facebook not working problem. First of all, let's go to our App Store. Then go to the search bar and search Facebook. Now let's check if the app is updated. Now, if you have a big update button instead of an open button right here, then make sure to click that button so that the Facebook app is updated and the bugs are fixed. That improves your performance. Now, if your app is updated, then let's go to settings. Go to the search bar and type Facebook. Go to Facebook and make sure that the background app refresh is turned on right here. Make sure that this is turned on so that the cache of Facebook is cleared, and this might actually fix the Facebook not working problem. Now, if this doesn't work, then what you have to understand that the Facebook server is down. All you can do is just wait for it to be fixed from the Facebook support. That's it for today. Thank you very much.